If you've hidden a calendar in Google Calendar and want to bring it back, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to unhide a calendar in Google Calendar in just a few seconds. This is really useful if you accidentally turned off a calendar, you're not seeing events you expected, or you just want to bring multiple calendars back into view so everything shows up on one screen. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button if this video helps you and subscribe for more simple Google Calendar tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Calendar in your browser. Once it loads, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. This is where Google Calendar keeps your calendar list, including calendars under My Calendars and Other Calendars. If a calendar is hidden, it usually means the box next to its name is unchecked. Now scroll through that left sidebar and find the calendar you want to unhide. It might be one of your personal calendars, a shared calendar, or a calendar you subscribe to. When you see the calendar name, look directly beside it for the small empty checkbox. That empty box means the calendar is currently hidden from your main calendar view. All you need to do is click that empty checkbox once. As soon as you do that, Google Calendar will turn the calendar back on and its events will appear again in your schedule. You should now see that calendar's colors, events, and reminders showing in your main calendar view. If you don't see the calendar right away, make sure you click the checkbox in the correct section, either under My Calendars or Other Calendars. Also remember that some calendars may be collapsed inside a list, so you may need to expand that area first before you can see the checkbox. And that's it. You've now unhidden a calendar in Google Calendar. It's a very quick fix, but it can save you a lot of confusion if your events seem to disappear. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.